Hello and good morning. Here I am, ready to show you another video, but this one is concerning the tinting paste, which is this item right here. Mine has a lot of use out of it. That's the reason why it's not perfect or completely smooth. Essentially what you do is you take a wire that hasn't been tinted or soldered and you dunk it into the tinting paste. This makes it easy, real easy, to have a complete and whole end on a wire. But I've discovered something. Open flame will allow you to tint the ends of the soldered of the wire. Now that it's in the tinting base and you add a little bit of flame or heat, it tints and solders the ends. Now I'm not saying go out and play with fire. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that you really don't need the solder bath. The solder bath I use when I'm at the bench. When I'm outside and I need to be more portable, I'll use a soldering paste with an open flame. And I'm trying to do this as safely as possible because once again, this is not a toy. Add a little bit of flame, melt the solder, the paste to the end of the wire. Now it's tinted. This is supposed to be used with a plumber's torch, and once you coat the end of the copper tubing and you attach it to a cap or another coupler, you can add it to the both ends. Once it's been cleaned out, you add the paste. It adds a cleaning agent and a solder at the same time. With the torch, you can combine the two ends. This is an open flame, not concentrated or pressurized gas, but it's the same concept. So you'll find that now the wire is tinted, soldered. Okay, now I'm going to point to a couple of items here on my bench because I don't want anybody thinking that I'm leaving any things out. You can still see the logo on this, but I am not promoting this item. It's just the tools that I have on my bench. Same thing with this item. It's just an ordinary lighter. This is not an ordinary tool, but I can't really say the name brand of it. But you can still see the logo. This item over here, I'm using to purify the air. So all in all, use a soldering paste to complete the end of the wire. And in doing so, it makes it easier to handle, makes it easier to solder because now it's soldered and tinted. Or essentially the same thing. Solder tinted. So you do this. You tint the end once again by dunking it into the paste. An open flame will help you complete the process. Easy as can be. Once again, thank you for your patience and goodbye.